Hi guys, we are playing Meowdoku. This is level 46 and let's start. Alright, we need to collect 10 cats. We have 8 more to go.
Nice!
Let's try the purple one.
Great!
Alright, now the green one.
Perfect!
Okay, let's try this one. Nice. Alright, now we need 5 more cats to finish.
Excellent!
Let's try that one. Okay, now 4 more to finish. Let's try this one. No, here, yes. Alright, now we need 3 more to finish. We have the brown one,
Nice!
the blue
Great!
one, and the last one is here.